Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an innovative dropshipping brand with Shutterfly, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching the dropshipping business model. Understand the key principles like low overhead and direct shipping to customers. Identify a niche market that aligns with your interests and has potential demand. Use tools like Google Trends and social media to validate your niche. Next, create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and strategies. Choose a brand name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Register a domain name to establish your online presence. Sign up for a Shutterfly account to explore their customizable products. Start selecting products that resonate with your target audience and fit your brand. Utilize Shutterfly's product design tools to create unique offerings. Consider products such as personalized gifts, custom apparel, or home decor. Ensure all designs are unique to set your brand apart from competitors. Set up an online store using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Integrate your Shutterfly offerings into your online store seamlessly. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Implement SEO best practices to enhance visibility in search engines. Next, establish a marketing strategy to promote your brand. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Consider using influencer partnerships to expand your reach. Create targeted ads to attract potential customers effectively. Monitor analytics regularly to assess the performance of your marketing efforts. Adjust your strategies based on the data to continually improve your results. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. Stay updated on trends in both the dropshipping and design industries. Continuously evolve your product offerings based on customer feedback. Foster a community around your brand by engaging with customers online. Celebrate milestones and share the journey of your brand's growth. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and be prepared to adapt to challenges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.